Hey folks, welcome to week number 7. We are almost halfway through, okay? This week we're going to do peer review, our first round of peer review in the class, and then you'll turn in the final draft of essay number 2, okay? Watch the video, check your email for essay 2 peer review assignments. So we're going to use Google Docs for peer review. That means you need to be checking your Prairie State email account, because we'll use the Google account attached to your Prairie State account. You guys will submit your papers, you submit your papers on Monday, and your drafts on Monday. So as soon as I get those in, Monday afternoon, I will be, working to, put together, peer review groups, and you will need to look in your email for those peer review groups, okay? Watch the video on how to use Google Docs. If you've never used it before, it'll be helpful. Even if you have used it, it sort of talks through what I'm looking for you guys to do during the peer review process. Complete the peer review. This is by Thursday, okay? This is one of those weeks we've got 2 due dates. Because once you complete your work with your peers' papers on Thursday, I will come in during the day on Friday and give you feedback. I can also then respond to your peers' comments. So if your peer is like way off base, I can say, actually, I think this is what's the case. And likewise, if you're one of your classmates makes a really smart comment or really something I think is really astute, I can say, absolutely, this is the right move. Okay. So on Friday, I will make comments, and then you have the weekend to look over my comments, revise, and submit in the Dropbox down here the Essay 2 final. Okay. So you've kind of have the weekend to work your way through that, as well as Monday morning, of course. But I will get in there Friday. I'll start in the morning and try to work my way through all of the drafts, okay? Any questions? Just let me know.